You need strategies, mock tests, templates, or feedback. Look no further because I'm going to help you to get all of them under one roof. You might need templates which can help you to get your scores, but you're not able to get mock tests. You get mock tests, but you don't know how to get the feedback, and all the things you're getting, but you're not getting the right strategies. These are the things which students need to crack their PT scores, and that's why they're not able to get their desired bands, because students generally misses out in one of these important areas, and that's the reason they do not get their desired scores in the very first attempt. So today's video will be on all the functionalities, all the areas which you will be getting as a part of VLE portal, which will help you to get everything under one roof. You will be able to get advanced updated strategies along with the templates, along with the prediction files, and on top of that, feedback with every single mock test from me. I will be sending you emails with the feedbacks, with the daily plans, whether you are a student or not. I will be sharing them to you if you are attempting a mock test on our portal. So let me walk you through the A to Z solution for your PTE, the #1 PTE platform in the world. Let me walk you through that. But before that, make sure that you do comment your mistakes, do comment the areas where you're losing the marks, because I personally reply to every single comment. So make sure that you do comment now, and I'll be making sure to give you the appropriate answers to your questions. And let's go through the main content now. Since Plato, philosophers have described the decision-making process as either rational or emotional. So did you know that our portal gives you scoring for one-line strategy for read aloud? None of the portals out there do that, because our portal is the realistic portal. It tells you where you are actually losing the marks, and as I've performed read aloud in front of you, you will be able to understand actually where you are losing the marks, because students normally get confused whether it is working for them, whether it is not working for them. But this portal will help you. That means VLE portal is the best portal, and you can sign up for free, but I'll be telling you more features, so stay tuned till the very end. The very first thing you have to do is you have to go to visionlanguageexplorers.com.au, and over there you have to register. Once you register, you will be able to get the access to this dashboard. Okay. Now you have to make sure that you should know how to use this portal. So whenever you are signing up for the portal, the very first thing would be they will give you a tour which will help you to understand all the functionalities of the portal. Tour will take you to all the places which you need to know, such as your practice materials for all the modules, where we have thousands of real exam questions, along with that mock test. Now these mock tests are not only full mocks, but sectional and task wise, so that you can work on the specific task at a time, which can help you to get better with the time management and overall strategies. Now we also have PT mock test score as well. And if I walk you a little bit over here, which is template section. Now, templates are something which makes your life very easy. A lot of students normally confuse themselves with which template to use, which template to avoid, and they messes up in a particular template there and then. So this is very important that when you're practicing, you need to understand which template is the right template for you, so that you can practice that template, implement that template with full confidence, and so that you don't waste your PTE attempt. I have personally seen students messes up just because of the template. Sometimes they get a template from a friend, which is the outdated one. Sometimes they get a template which is only half of it, right? Or sometimes they get a template which is something where they don't know how to implement that template. So template is very important if you want to crack your PTE. And trust me, if you have the right templates, the PTE desired bands, even for 8, is not a rocket science. You can easily avail it. You just need to make sure that you implement them correctly. Now I'll be showing you how you can do that from a portal. So if I talk about the implementation of the strategies, we have got advanced video sessions for you. That means you can get all the strategies personally made by me, where I spent thousands of minutes to frame this, to make sure that you guys get the best out of it. And it is very detailed strategy which will help you to understand every part, every component of every module, so that you don't misses out in any of the sections. You can watch them at your own convenience. You will get 24/7 access, so you don't have to worry about the access. Now, these strategies we keep on updating, and whenever they are updated, we keep on adding new versions. So such as for the writing, recently it was updated. So in March, we updated the new version, which is very effective for students to get their desired bands. So this is very important, guys, that when you are actually practicing, you need to practice the updated strategies so that you can get your desired bands. Okay, now we have talked a lot about strategies, but it is not enough because you also need prediction files. Prediction is very important because it helps you to practice the questions which are basically going to come in your exam, or there are high chances that they will come in the exam. So this portal will also give you the predictions. Every month we update the predictions, and it's not like that we include everything, only the questions which we think would come. And trust me, it takes a lot of effort to compile this because we get a lot of exam memories from our students. We make a record of them. We try to make them as precise and accurate so it is helpful to you. And now we can proudly say that a lot of students get same questions from this file when they go and attempt. So make sure if you are going to give the exam in May month, May prediction is already there, and the following months the predictions will be also out. Make sure to revise all the questions from this prediction. So the next tool which I'm very proud of and which I really like the most is vocabulary and spelling, because vocabulary and spelling really helps students to work on their mistakes which they are making. So spelling is going to help you because you sometimes make, unintentionally some mistakes which you would automatically, not make if you're writing it down, but when you're typing it, you tend to make some mistakes. So the spelling tool tracks all the spelling mistakes, and it tells you what is your mistake, and it tells you what is the AI suggestion. That means what is the correct spellings. Similarly, for the vocabulary, students misses out in the vocab portion and they're not able to get perfect marks in the vocab because they don't get to practice vocab, and sometimes you get too much vocab, you don't have enough time to practice. So vocabulary will be really helpful for those students because vocab is going to be based off your mistakes. So that means whenever you don't understand the blank and you make a mistake in any of the reading blanks, reading and writing blanks, you can add certain words to your vocab list, and those mistakes will be recorded and they will help you to get better in your vocabulary, because the definition for every single mistake is also going to be there in the vocab list. Now in this portal, you will also get the live sessions which you can avail. So you can see there's a special batch which I personally take. You can get the access to that. You can also get the access to special reading classes, strategy sessions, and practice sessions. So this is basically for all the students who are not able to come to our physical classes in all the branches, but students who can sit at home and can practice on their own through the live classes. So we have live classes every single day. We have got a lot of flexibility for the student, so they can choose whichever batch suits them, and they can practice and get the feedback live from the tutor. And there are some batches which I personally take, as I said, so you can also join that batch as well. Now feedbacks are very important. Students get the mocks, but they don't get the feedbacks. They keep on giving the mocks and keep on making the mistakes, but they do not get the feedbacks. They do not know where they are lacking. They do not know where to improve. So this feature is the most important feature, I would say, from VLE portal, because every single mock you're giving, you just have to complete the mock, and once you go to the analysis, there's a button which says get study plan from Vishal. And you click on that, you will be able to get a feedback on the email within a couple of hours. Now this really helps students to understand where they are lacking and where they have to focus more. And I will be also giving you a study plan basis on your mistakes, so that you can work on them and you can get your desired bands. And I will always tell you when you are ready to sit for the exam. So that means a recommendation for your booking of the exam will be always there as a part of my feedback email. So make sure to keep a check on them. Sometimes they can go to spam, but make sure that you keep an eye on that and click this button whenever you complete full mocks, and you will be getting a study plan from me. The amazing news is that we've got very flexible personalized plans for everyone. Our basic plan starts from $19 a month, where you get full access to the practice material and AI scoring. And then we have also intermediate, which is $39, where you get more mocks. Along with that, which is a pro, which is $79, again, very popular plan, where students get access to the mocks along with the sectional, along with the task wise. They also get access to the predictions, templates as well. So if you want something which is very personalized for you, you can always avail the plan suited to you. But the most popular plan, which is always very famous, is the advanced one, because this also includes the strategies. Now the updated 2024 strategies are already there. Now this will help you to crack your scores in 2024. So I'm paying attention to this because VLE portal has all the recent updates. So make sure that you avail them, get use of them, and practice through this portal to get the best PTE realistic scoring for you guys, just for you guys. So make sure that you avail that. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to subscribe our channel if you're new to our channel, and share with your friends. This video is the most valuable video for PTE aspirants if they are struggling and they don't know where to practice, which platform to use, and they're confused with a lot of tricks and templates which might be outdated on YouTube and other platforms. So this video will be really helpful for them. So make sure to share with your friends so they can get full assistance from VLE portal. Now guys, I have recently posted few features on our Instagram channel which is going to help you to understand a portal better. So you can go and check them out, and you will be able to get more insights and short tips for PTE related paper and exam. So make sure that you go over there and look for the videos with the portal tips, which will help you to get better understanding of VLE portal. That's it guys, Vishal is signing off from Visual Language Experts. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe if you have not, and I will be seeing you in the next video.